Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Prime Day unboxing. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe, and hopefully everyone took advantage of the Prime sales. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you got any great deals on some goodies. We're gonna see what they sent me today, and you guys can still take advantage of the low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below, add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship this fast to you. So I'm about to see what it is inside. I'm gonna put you guys down for a sec. I guess here we go. It is Thursday, and now we are almost at the holiday season. We got back to school now going on, and then we also got little Cyber Monday and Black Friday coming up. So you might want to add this to your wish list. Here we go. There we go. Alright. Oh. Got a small little box inside of a box. So here we go. One little box today. There we go. And this one is coming from Nika's home. So definitely check them out, and I'll have the links down below. There we go. That was easy. Not the package. Smell something. Oh, that's close. Definitely maybe should have bubble wrapped it a little bit. But nothing broke. Everything's good. But bubble wrap would be great. And we have Nika's home, sage and citrus. And 12 ounces. Alright. But definitely check it out, YouTubers. And we're gonna light it up. I gotta go find a lighter. Go. There's a wick. Alright. Give me 1 sec. Alrighty. We got delight. Now we're going to light this candle up. There we go. Yeah, it smells good. So this will be nice for your condo, your dorm, since we are in back to school mode. Get in there. And there we go. Shut off the light. See, that helped a little bit. So pretty cool. And like I said, all you gotta do, click on the link, check them out. We got sage and citrus. These are going fast, so I checked on their website right now, so they got a handful left. And I don't know, that's about it for today, YouTubers. You guys be safe, have a good day, and I'll see you guys back tomorrow.